Always use a new condom each time you have sex, oral, anal, or vaginal. Condoms are you and your partner's best protection against STDs, HIV, and unplanned pregnancy. Step 1. Check the expiration date on the package. Step 2. Be careful you don't rip the condom when opening up the package. Step 3. Make sure the tip of the condom points through the ring in a way that will let you roll it down. Pull back the foreskin unless the penis is circumcised. Step 4. Place the rolled condom on the head of the penis. Step 5. Leave a half-inch space to collect semen. Pinch the air out of the tip with one hand. Step 6. Unroll the condom over the penis with the other hand. Step 7. Roll the condom down to the base of the penis. Step 8. Smooth out any air bubbles. Add water-based lubricant to the inside and outside of the condom if desired to increase pleasure for you and for her. Only use water-based lubricants with latex condoms, such as KY Jelly and Astroglide. Never use oil-based lubricants like Vaseline because it'll break the condom down. Step 9. Hold the condom against the base of the penis while pulling out to prevent semen from spilling. Wipe any ejaculate off the penis. Discard in the garbage.